If you're nearing retirement or already in retirement, you've probably heard about the importance of diversifying your investment portfolio. But one of the best ways to secure your financial future, especially with the volatility we're seeing in the market, is by adding gold and silver to your retirement strategy. Today, we're going to break down why gold and silver are so essential and how they can protect your wealth, especially in times of economic uncertainty. If you've been searching for a way to protect your retirement savings from inflation, stock market crashes, or just general uncertainty, you'll want to stick around for this. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why gold and silver could be the key to a more stable and secure retirement. Before we dive into the specifics, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next couple of weeks, click the first link in the description to get the free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are already turning to gold IRAs to protect their wealth, and this guide will walk you through why it's so important and how it works. Now let's get into it. Gold and silver have been trusted as stores of value for centuries. In times of economic distress, both metals tend to retain their value or even increase in price, unlike paper assets like stocks or bonds, which can lose their value dramatically. The reason for this? Gold and silver are tangible, scarce, and most importantly, not tied to any one economy or government. In contrast, traditional retirement accounts, like those made up of stocks and bonds, are more vulnerable to the swings of the market. You may have noticed that even the smallest economic shifts can cause your portfolio to lose significant value. This is why adding precious metals like gold and silver into the mix provides a hedge against that volatility. So how does this work in practice? One of the best ways to invest in gold and silver for retirement is through a gold IRA. A gold IRA allows you to directly invest in physical gold or silver in your retirement account. This isn't like just buying stocks in a mining company or a gold-backed ETF. You're actually holding physical gold and silver in your retirement account, which means you're directly protected against economic downturns. Now, some people might consider adding gold or silver through regular investment accounts, but a gold IRA has major advantages. For one, it allows your precious metals to grow tax-deferred or even tax-free, depending on the type of IRA you choose. You won't get that with standard brokerage accounts. And unlike regular IRAs or 401ks, which are mostly exposed to the market, your gold IRA protects you against inflation and market volatility. You might be wondering if gold and silver are really worth the investment in today's market. Well, if you're sitting on a retirement account with 100K or more, or even millions in savings, you can't afford to ignore the potential benefits of these precious metals. They've proven to be resilient over the long term, and they can help diversify your wealth, protecting your savings from the inevitable swings of the stock market. When we compare the stability of gold and silver to things like stocks or real estate, it becomes clear why so many retirees are choosing to put a portion of their retirement savings into these assets. While real estate might fluctuate based on interest rates or market conditions, and stocks are highly dependent on corporate earnings, gold and silver remain much more reliable, especially as we move into a period of economic uncertainty. For American retirees who want to make sure they're protecting their wealth, a gold IRA is by far the best way to go. It's an easy and secure way to add gold and silver to your retirement strategy. Plus, there's a huge benefit in having a tax-advantaged account to help grow your wealth without paying hefty taxes along the way. If you're serious about protecting your retirement savings, I highly encourage you to take action today. Click the first link in the description for your free Gold IRA guide. It's designed for people just like you who have at least 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 in savings, and want to make sure they're diversifying and securing their financial future. Don't wait until it's too late. Now's the time to get a strategy in place that will help you weather any storm, whether it's inflation, a market crash, or any other economic challenge. Protect your retirement today with gold and silver, and